Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Missybeelondon. This is the end of the hairstyle right here, and you're gonna see how I created this hairstyle. 2 flat twists in the front and at the back, nice little afro puff. This is my hair. Oh yeah, I just trimmed my hair yesterday, recorded a video today. I'm recording a video and doing a voiceover at the same time on the same day. But yes, I am doing the parting lines for the 2 front flat twists. I didn't put any heat in my hair. How I stretched my hair was by putting it in twists, and then I combed it out for today to do the style, and that was it. I do not put heat in my hair to straighten it out. Yes, as you can see, I'm using the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner, the red palm oil and coconut butter or cocoa butter line. Yes, my hair is not looking straight because, like I said, I trimmed my hair, but hey, I am also using the the reshaping shine butter in this section of my hair as well. But you know what, my hair will grow back anyway. I trimmed it off because the ends were bad and my hair was due a trim, because the last time I trimmed my hair was in December 2019 and we are in April 2020. Today's date is the 21st of April. So I just done the first section. I did a little flat twist there. Yes, I sped the video up a little bit, but this style didn't take too long anyway, maybe like 10 minutes or so. Literally, without the camera would have been quicker. On camera takes a little bit longer. I applied the same products on the other side of that section as well, raking it through my hair. There you go. I didn't use too much of each product as well. You don't really need to use too much anyway, unless your hair is really thick. My hair type is type 4B. Before I should say type 4C, but now I say type 4B, and maybe it might be type 4C in the middle of my head because that's the thickest section of my hair. But yeah, just doing the flat twist on this side of my head. Yeah, I'm just watching myself do it as well. Oh yes, I took off 1 inch of my hair. That was it, 1 inch. That's it, not too much. Like I said, the ends were bad. I realized now, 'cause I wasn't drinking a lot of water recently as well. Lockdown situation, other situations as well. And let's go on to the back of my hair. I must admit, it does still look good, thank goodness for that. But I've always been cutting my hair anyway, so yeah, just spraying a bit of kettle boiled water in my hair, not tap water, but boiled in the kettle and left to cool down, and then put in the spritz bottle, and I added a little bit of peppermint oil in there as well. But yeah, didn't put too much in my hair. Using the leave-in conditioner again from Shea Moisture. Not too much in my head again. I think I should have used more, but I wasn't sure, because the first time I did this hairstyle, it was off camera and it came out a little bit better. But hey, I live and I learn, don't I? So it still came out good in the end. So yeah, just putting the product on my hair. I think I get a little bit more as well. Just fluffing it out, making sure it's mainly on the ends, not really on the whole strand of the hair, but mainly on the ends of my hair to get that effect. And then I used the curling gel souffle, the coconut and hibiscus Shea Moisture range. It's something different. I'm getting used to this gel souffle. It's okay. I need to use it a couple more times and do maybe a twist out to like see how good it is. It's very moisturizing as a gel. It's very moisturizing. But yeah, I put that in there, my hair as well. It looks like this now, but as the shrinkage kicks in, it gets its shape, literally. Yeah, I'm just watching again. I don't have much to say for this one. There is going to be a review video coming up talking about and using the Shea Moisture products on the red palm oil and cocoa butter line. This is the end. This is the hairstyle. Simple. I put hair cuffs in my hair for the 2 flat twists as well. I like how my hair looks short. I don't mind it looking short like this. Gives it body. Make me look powerful. Thank you for watching anyway. Goodbye.